Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make capsicum chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with idlis and dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Grate a capsicum using a grater. If you don't have a grater, you can chop it finely. When you grate the capsicum, you can easily get rid of the raw flavor when sauted. Now we have it ready. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add quarter teaspoon of Urad Dhal, quarter teaspoon of Channa Dhal and 3 dried red chillies. Saute well for few seconds. Then to this add 1 onion chopped and 3 garlic pods chopped. Saute well until the onion turns transparent. Then add 1 tomato chopped. Saute well until the tomato turns mashy. The flavors of the onion, tomato and the garlic is coming together very well. Now after 2 minutes the tomato is well done, so go ahead and add the grated capsicum and saute for 2 minutes until the raw flavor of the capsicum is completely gone. Now the capsicum is well done, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are cool now. Transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl. Season the capsicum chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Our delicious capsicum chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this capsicum chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.